How can I use baking soda in the garden? Number 1. Pest and Insect Control. Baking soda can be used as both an effective insect repellent and as a characteristic insect killer. It additionally attempts to control biting and chewing insects that are normal killers of vegetables and garden plants. There are multiple ways in which baking soda can be used to stop or kill insects securely, without having to turn to chemical pesticides. Number 2. Baking soda insect repellents. Sprinkle original capacity baking soda on garden soil in ways and around plants where insects are an issue. The most ideal way to apply the residue equitably and without over-application is by using a flower sifter. As a soil residue and repellent, baking soda is effective against insects, bugs, silverfish, slugs, and snails. Because it is applied uniquely to the ground, when used this way, baking soda shouldn't represent a danger to flying pollinators or other plant-dwelling beneficial insects, like ladybugs. Number 3. Baking soda mustard oil insect repellent ground spray. -1 TBSP baking soda. -1/3 cup mustard oil. Combine the two ingredients and store the mixture in a covered, marked container. To use, mix 2 teaspoons of the oil and baking soda mixture into 4 cups of water. Fill a shower bottle, then use to splash garden perimeters, ways, and around the bottoms of plants, yet don't shower plants directly. Number 4. Baking soda insecticides. You can likewise clean issue insects directly with baking soda to kill them. A light residue can be applied directly to bothers on plants. However, it is always important to test any application on a couple of leaves on your plants first. Apply baking soda dust for the following insect controls, as directed. Lightly dust tomato hornworms on tomato plants. Number 5. Baking soda aphid and mite spray. -1/2 teaspoon baking soda. -2 cups warm water. -2/3 cups olive oil. 4-5 drops liquid dish cleanser. Combine all ingredients and mix equitably. Fill a splash container and shower directly onto aphids and spider mites. This mixture is fairly delicate on beneficial insects, yet it is always smart to avoid spraying them when you can. If you shake the plant prior to spraying, beneficial insects like ladybugs, flying insects, and pollinators should fall or take off, yet the aphids and spider mites will cling to the plant and can then be splashed. Number 6. Baking soda ant and roach bait killer. Baking soda makes an effective subterranean insect and bug killer, too. -2 TBSP baking soda. -2 TBSP granulated sugar, warm water. Mix the baking soda and sugar together. Add sufficient water to make a wet glue. Spoon the glue into covers, trimmed paper cups, paper plates, or a similar low container. Place the snares along subterranean insect and cockroach ways, close to anthills, or where you realize they gather. The sugar will go about as a draw so the insects will eat the mixture and the baking soda will kill the insects once ingested. This mixture is protected to use around pets and in and around the home too.